Alright. A couple weeks ago now, I think it was, I did the video about the untested DSi XL. Now that had dodgy button pads. Now I replaced those little button switches on the actual board itself, but I didn't have this handy little thingamajig board holder to show you how I did it. So today I'm just going to run over how I did it. Quick, easy, hopefully works out alright on this board holder thingamabob. We'll just get a little bit of, hopefully some flux came out just then. A little bit of flux. Where are my tweezers? Tweezers at the ready. Hot air. I had to change the camera angle a bit there. So I don't know if you saw that properly. But we've got the button off, which was heating up from below. I'll do it again in case I didn't get it properly the first time. So we're heating up from below. A bit hard to see if I'm in the right spot. I think I'm pretty close. So after a little bit, comes off. Bit hard to tell if I was in the right spot. Flux. Sweet. Get your leaded solder. We'll put some fresh solder on there. Not hot enough. Now, prepare to put the button back on. Heat. And now it's back on. Now, that board's not actually a working board. I just wanted to show the process I went through the other week to do those surface mounted button trigger thingos, because they're common to this, which is a DSi. They also use them on the 3DSs, I think. They might be a bit different on 3DS. Well, they're similar anyway. So let's do that for today. There's not a whole lot else going on at the moment. See what else we can come up with in the next few days.